They mean the camera too hot. It's not hot out here. I know if this camera turned off again, we got a problem. But yeah, man. In the last video, we didn't have these extra neighbors. We got some more Camaro dudes up in here. This day 2 of Camaro Fest. So last video, before this video previously, we were at NCM Motorsports at their racetrack. Oh, my first time on the racetrack. We got a lot of stuff in the trunk, but it was a great experience overall. Man, as y'all can see, I was going crazy on the track. I was having way too much fun. And the car is dirty as heck. Look at this. It's dirty because it keep raining. Like, y'all can see the dirt. It's dirty. So, I don't really know how I feel on washing it because it's about to go get back dirty again because it's gonna rain again today. But I'm thinking about just wiping it down real quick. Just like a quick wipe. Like, I'm not really caring about how good I get it. But yeah, man. Your boy about to be on the drag strip for the first time today, man. So, hope y'all enjoying all the videos. Camaro Fest been fun so far. It's my first one, so. It is my first time doing a lot of things. This car has been bringing some good memories for me. Like, I don't think I would ever forget a memory about this car. Well, forget about this car, but yeah, so I got my helmet. I'm taking all the unnecessary stuff out the car. I'm up early as heck right now. What is it? 6:37 in the morning. Yeah, everybody pretty much asleep. I don't know why I woke up this early. I set an alarm for 7 o'clock because you gotta be at the track at 8. So I might as well wipe the car down, put everything in the car because I forgot a lot of stuff last time. So I made sure I threw the shoes in the car and stuff, all that. But yeah, and over here done played in dirt. He done drove through this mud. He done backed up into the grass. He got the lemon pepper steppers on that. And he done bagged up and he all in dirt. Whole wheel coated. But yeah, we got some more guys right here. They look like they gonna be at the drag strip tomorrow. But so yeah, man, this was my first time actually pushing the car hard. As you know, we've been building the car on the channel, but I never actually drove it. It's my first time actually really driving the car, so we've been driving it pretty good. We got the tires a little broken in. I think I did a pretty good job, man. We got the sidewall all over here. Only thing I'm taking with me is my sunscreen, my torque wrench. I got an air pump and like a little socket and stuff. About to use that waterless car wash. Got towels I could take out of here because they dirty. But then, other than that, we pretty much good to go. Get rid of all this unnecessary stuff. So, yeah, man, we're about to wipe the car down. Actually, we just made it to the Raceway Benway. I mean, Beach Bend Raceway. We just made it here, so yeah, man, we out here. I'm about to go to the tech shed. They about to inspect my car and everything. Hopefully everything good. Got my helmet, everything. So yes, sir, we got some good content coming in, y'all. First time at the track. Yesterday was my first time at the on a road course track. I don't remember saying that, but yeah, man. Good content, man. I'm enjoying myself out here. This is first time at Camaro Fest, bro. It's pretty good, man. Great experience. So I got one more video after this because yesterday was my first time on the track. I recorded all of that, and then today the first time on the drag strip, recording all of that. And tomorrow might just be a chill day. I'm gonna just record the experience. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record the way home. I'll probably give y'all an update on how the road trip was, but yeah. So yeah, I'm meeting up with Q and them later. They since I'm the only one drag racing, I had to come early, you know, get my car inspected, all that. So they probably will come later. But some of the people from our Camaro club are here, so they're actually setting up autocross over there. Well, it's called Camaro Cross because they made the autocross a little bit bigger because you know the Camaro a little big for autocross. So yeah, man, we here, baby. We on I had like a half a tank of 93 and a half a tank of E85 mix. We burned half a tank and I filled up the rest with E. So hopefully at least we like high E70. We finally made it up here. We tore down all the lug nuts. You know, things of that nature. Turn the air pressure down. And it don't look like too many cars here, so you might got the ZL1 right there. We might get a few runs today though. So I'm gonna see how the supercar 3s work on 26 PSI. We'll do 26 PSI. And we're gonna see what we can get today. I'm hoping for a 12, like a 12 flat. If I get an 11, that's crazy, but I really want a 12 flat. Like 12 flat to like 12.10. I'll be satisfied. 12 flat, 12.10. Realistically. But yeah, man, once we get back in the car, I'll probably be in line getting ready to go, and I had the GoPros on and all that stuff. All right, y'all, we getting ready. We coming up close. We gonna do sport mode. We put the suspension in touring, and we gonna see how that feel. I want to say I'm running this car right here. This other car right here. I don't know what it is. It's stick shift though. But this is what I'm running though. It's another 6th gen. I see it say Hertz equipped, so. Exit right there, right? Is it exit right there? Hey, I don't know where the exit at. We spent a little bit. I didn't even see. I don't even know what I ran. It better not be no 13. It about to be like a 12.5, watch. We going back on, we better try and beat the 12.7. I feel like I could beat the 12.7 this time.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I feel like I did worse. I feel like I did worse. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man. Oh my God. My first run was better when I foot braked. I just got a 13. It was better when it was in what was that? Touring mode. Touring mode was better. Like in this mode, it was better. I might leave traction control on though. I'm gonna try it one more time, and we gonna call it that. And after this one, I'm gonna chill out. Bad. I tried something different. It did not work. Oh, yeah, I did a 13.1. I did something way different, and it didn't like it. No.
Now you know.
Yeah. And for the last run of the day, I just wanted to do 3 runs just to see what I could do for my first time. And I ain't about to keep going. I'll probably do more once I get home and that kind of stuff. So here go the last one. I'm gonna try and get a little bit more gas for real. I'm gonna try and just like fight through it. I need some fucking water. It's hot as shit. Yeah, I think I'm actually go past the water too this time. I think the water messing me up because I don't need to heat the tires up no more. We gonna do no burnout this time on touring mode with the traction off. You're running this 5th gen right here. You got 2 4th gens about to go at it. All the smoke. The Z01's smoking. Oh, you go up until you see the yellow light. Okay. That was my best run, bro. Touring mode, traction control all the way off, letting it like do a tiny burnout and go up to what was that, like 15, like a little bit less than 1500, and that's the one. So I'm about to see this time slip and I'm about to get on, let the car rest. I wanted to do 3 runs. I think on the 3rd run I figured out the science to what I got right now. I got my first win of the day. It was against a 5th gen. I don't know what he had done, but it sounded like it's cammed. I got a 12.8. So yeah, that's what we getting right now. I got a 12.7, then I got a 13.1, then I got a 12.8. So yep, we need some more tire. But later on, I'm gonna let this car sit and we go test some more stuff out. I'm gonna turn this AC on. Man, dude, this GoPro is hot as heck, but yeah, that's what we got there, man. My reaction time is at 6:02. My bad, I gotta get out, this car is hot. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. I did not mean to do that shit, bro. I need to go get some water. Bruh, I think I'm done racing for the day, bro. I don't care about them times that bad. Dude, it's hot as heck. I don't know how people do this. I only did 3 runs. Man, I got the big water and I got 2 bottles of water. Man, it's 105 degrees out here. Bro, they can have that. This is crazy. I gotta go find Blueprint and them, they here. So, yeah, I'm about to set this AC for me. I'm about to go get my tools from over there and, yeah. Alright, man, I'll be back. This has got to be the most funniest thing ever. I love my chair. I drove away and it's just standing there. But yeah, man, I'm actually very excited with my car. I learned a lot about the car. We've been building the car for about a year, you know, just piecing it together, doing little things, learning more about the car. And I actually got to drive the car today, man. I got a 12.5 even with a 3,980 DA. And it's on street tires still. So when I get the drag pack, get back home to some colder temperatures, I think I'll be getting better times. I probably could scratch the 12-second flat, you know what I'm saying? Something like that, with the drag radio and everything. Might touch 11s, so. As of right now, I'm very satisfied with the car though. We about to start doing more of this content. I think we're pretty much done today. About to put my chair in the car. About to go get some food and about to go back to the Airbnb. We about to see whatever everybody else want to do, so. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this content, because Camaro Fest was fun. And my crew we went with this time was pretty lit, so. I'm about to go over here. I think Q and Blueprint over there doing autocross. So yeah.